Today I'm going to be planting out a patch fit for a wok. This productive patch is going to become the perfect stir-fry veggie garden.
First up, in goes some Wombok cabbage. This is Asian style cabbage that produces footy-shaped heads, and the leaves are softer and more delicate in flavour than traditional cabbage.
Next I'm going to toss in some pak choy. With these big leaves, they're perfect for catching stir-fry sauces. Now I like to actually use the stems as well. You can chop them up and add them to your stir-fry a few minutes before you add in the leaves. They add a gorgeous crunch. Let's mix things up a bit and throw in some spring onions. These ones have a gorgeous red stem.
The easiest way to plant these is to draw a shallow trench with your hand, then lay the seedlings in about 3 to 5 centimetres apart. Now simply run both your hands down the sides of the trench to stand them up and cover their roots.
And now for some colourful carrots, and I'm going to plant these in the same way that I did with the spring onions.
And for even more colour, I'm going to add in a few purplish red cabbages and some purple pak choy too.
These purple veg are particularly rich in an antioxidant that's said to improve memory and even fight cancer. At the end of the patch, I'm going to pop in some snow peas. These babies are going to climb, so they're going to need support.
I'll set up a teepee for them now and lace around some string for extra support as they grow. Then just plant around the base. If you're planting a tall growing crop like this, just make sure you position it in a spot so it won't shade the rest of your patch.
Now many of these veggies work just as well in a pot, and if you're growing them like this or out in the patch, then I like to grow them organically.
So I use some certified organic Eco Amino Go, and for a bit of extra TLC, I'm going to pop in some Eco Seaweed.
And this combination will have them bouncing out of the ground.